Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor pizza oven, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from outdoor pizza oven, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor pizza oven from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ooni Karu 12 Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven, Portable Wood and Gas Fired. Take your pizza making to the next level with the Ooni Karu 12 Multi-Fuel Outdoor Pizza Oven. This portable, high-performance oven reaches a blazing 950 Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, allowing you to cook authentic, stone-baked pizzas in only 60 seconds. Designed for versatility, you can fire it up with wood or charcoal for a traditional smoky flavor, or attach the Ooni gas burner, sold separately, for added convenience. The custom-designed fuel tray maximizes airflow for powerful flames and minimal ash cleanup. Weighing just 26.4 oz, it's ultra-portable with foldable legs and a removable chimney, making it perfect for backyards, camping trips, and outdoor adventures. Beyond pizza, you can cook steak, fish, or veggies using Ooni's cast-iron cookware. Built with Ooni's dedication to great pizza, this brushed-finish stainless steel oven is a must-have for any home pizzaiolo. Get yours today and start baking like a pro. Number 2. WOOCIT Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven Outdoor Portable Wood and Gas Fired. Elevate your outdoor cooking with the WOOCIT Multi-Fuel Portable Pizza Oven. Designed for wood, charcoal, and gas, this versatile oven lets you enjoy the rich, smoky flavors of a traditional fire or the convenience of precise gas cooking. With a durable carbon steel shell, high-temperature resistant coating, and 3-layer insulation, it retains heat efficiently for faster, even cooking. Preheat to 572 Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes. Then cook perfectly crispy pizzas in 60 to 90 seconds. Just rotate every 20 seconds for an even bake. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor real-time temperatures up to 1000 Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent, professional quality results. But it's not just for pizza. Bake, roast, and more. Whether you're hosting a backyard party, going on a picnic, or enjoying a camping adventure, this portable pizza oven is your go-to for delicious wood-fire meals and unforgettable moments. Order yours today and unleash your inner chef. Number 3. Aidpiza Pizza Oven Outdoor Wood-Fired Pizza Ovens Pellet Pizza Stove. Enjoy authentic wood-fire pizza anywhere with the Aidpiza Outdoor Wood Pellet Pizza Oven. This portable oven is designed to cook 12-inch pizzas, making it perfect for family gatherings, parties, and outdoor adventures. Powered by hardwood pellets, it delivers a balanced burn with the perfect smoke-to-flame ratio, infusing your food with a delicious, smoky wood-fire flavor that gas grills can't match. The built-in thermometer eliminates guesswork, letting you start cooking at 662 Fahrenheit for perfectly crispy pizzas in minutes. Featuring a foldable leg design, this compact and mobile pizza stove is easy to transport and set up anywhere. Backyards, campsites, or picnics. But it's not just for pizza. Grill steaks, lamb chops, chicken wings, vegetables, and more. With Aidpiza's multi-functional outdoor pizza oven, the possibilities are endless. Unleash your inner chef and bring the taste of wood-fire cooking wherever you go. Number 4. Ninja Wood-Fired Outdoor Pizza Oven 8-in-1 Portable Electric Roaster Oven. Transform your outdoor cooking with the Ninja Wood-Fire Outdoor Pizza Oven, an 8-in-1 portable electric roaster oven that does it all. Whether you're cooking artisan pizzas, smoking meats, or baking your favorite meals, this versatile oven delivers brick oven-inspired results without the hassle. Choose from 5 pizza settings like Neapolitan, thin crust, or frozen to make perfect pizzas in just 3 minutes. Cooked at 700 Fahrenheit. Beyond pizza, it can roast a 12-foot leap turkey, 9-lead pork shoulder, or even a full sheet pan meal, making it ideal for feeding a crowd. The oven also allows you to infuse smoky flavors into your food with just a half cup of pellets. With complete temperature control ranging from 105 to 700
quick
Fahrenheit,
tutorial on how
you
we
can cook
smoked
everything from
ribs on our
steaks to
Ninja
casseroles with
Woodfire
ease.
8-in-1
Experience
pizza
high
oven. We
heat
have our Pro
roasting
Heat
and
rack and
fast,
our roasting
delicious
rack
meals
ready to
wherever
go.
you
We are
are
going
with
to
the
add
Ninja
1
Woodfire
full
oven.
scoop of
Number 5. Halo Versa 16 Propane Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven with Rotating Cooking Stone. Introducing the Halo Versa 16 Propane Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven, the ultimate solution for cooking delicious pizzas in no time. With a patent-pending dual-burner system and a 360-degree rotating cooking stone, you can cook a 16-inch pizza in just 5 minutes for perfect results every time. The rotating stone ensures even cooking, capturing all the flavor of traditional wood-fired pizza without the hassle. Designed for versatility, this oven can be fueled by either a 20 lb LP gas tank or a 1 lb canister and is powered by an AC adapter or 2D batteries. Whether you're cooking at home, on your patio, camping, or tailgating, the Halo Versa 16 is perfect for any outdoor occasion. The hinged access lid makes it easy to clean, while the dual regulators ensure a consistent and balanced cook. Great pizza, no waiting, just pure flavor. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.